the future of premium hard case making. Experience seamless automation with our high-speed feeder and precise gluing system. Advanced visual auto positioning ensures perfect placement with a precision of 0.1 millimeters. Introducing the world's first fully automatic double-layer folding design for both long and short edges. Flawless execution every time. Break the boundaries of traditional packaging design. Easily craft complex, irregular polygonal hard cases entirely mold-free. Versatility redefined. Instantly switch between different shapes and sizes with our intelligent digital adjustment system. Achieve maximum efficiency with a blazing production speed of up to 1,200 pieces per hour. Capable of handling large formats with a maximum size of 450 by 850 millimeters. Superior quality finished products, ready for the market. Elevate your packaging with ultimate precision and innovation. Discover more at Kylin Machines.